so I am a pirate today. I am just having a little bit of fun with the Halloween season, playing around with all my costumes. So for your ingredients today, we are going to be getting a few things. You'll want to have some black sanding sugar, and you can either buy that pre-made at the store. You can find it at maybe your local grocery store, or a craft store will have that in the decorating aisle for cake decorating. If you want to make it yourself, check out my Witch's Brew cocktail video. I showed you how to make your own sanding sugar in that one, and it's a lot cheaper. What you basically do is mix some granulated sugar in a Ziploc bag and just mix it with some colored food gel, so whatever color you want to make it. So we will also need a few other things. We have some orange juice, some maraschino liqueur, some limoncello, some seltzer water, maybe a few orange slices to garnish your glass, and then some ice that we'll put in the cocktail shaker here. So this one's really easy. What I always like to do is actually wash and rinse my glass and put it in the freezer for a little bit before I'm going to make some drinks, and it just really makes a nice chill on your glass. So I have two here. This recipe will give you enough for about 2 drinks. I'm going to take one of my orange wedges here and just go around my glass. Do the same with the other one. And then I'm going to put it into the black sanding sugar to make our glasses spooky. As you can see, I'm having fun with my costumes. Today I'm a pirate. So you're just going to go around with your glass into the sugar. And because you put that little bit of juice from the orange, it should stick. Okay, so there's one glass, and then the other. I hope you've enjoyed some of the videos that I've been putting on. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give me a like on any videos that you've really enjoyed. Okay, they're nice and perfect. Okay. So I'm going to get my cocktail shaker. This one's really easy, just load it with ice, and we're going to pour in a couple ounces of OJ, some maraschino, some limoncello, one of my favorites, and a little bit of seltzer water. So I'm just going to give this a little shake, and then we will be ready to pour it in our glasses. Okay. It's a nice dark orange color. A little bit more in the first one. Okay. And if you want, you can garnish it with an orange slice. Little segment here. And there you go. This is the pumpkin cocktail, orange and black. Happy Halloween!